afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. We are without kids today. I feel nice. Feel nice. Yeah, feel nice, guys. So we're gonna have some lunch and try and hang out before them kids done. Before Amit done school and before Alicia have to go back and get the baby. So at the moment I am going to, well, we're on the way for lunch, but it's not fully 12 o'clock yet, so I'm going to try and see if I can get an evaluation on this car, because yeah, we want to let it go. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna let it go, guys. Still have too many cars, so let it go. So yeah, guys, we're going to get an evaluation and hopefully they value it for the same money we buy it for. Same money, don't. The car is just 1 year old, so.
Sorry guys, I'm trying to get.
Yeah, Alicia do her thing on her phone, so. Dating and you're the king. Even though we love this car, guys, you realize we drive this car all the time. We don't drive the other car then. Because this car is just, it's nice and smooth and gas friendly.
I wasn't picking my nose, guys. Right here was itchy.
Yeah, guys, this car is gas friendly, so I love to drive it. The other car them just park up at the yard, but I'm gonna sell this and start drive them. Alright, that's one. Oh, wait, which part?
Here's where you get it done.
Somewhere here, so. Yeah, see that, yeah. So guys, if anybody want to buy tonight, there, Yeah. Only if I could get it valued at another extra 5 million. That's what I buy it for. It's a joke, guys, it's a joke, but yeah, guys, getting the valuation done now.
Alright, I was just trying to call you, but
Alicia's still busy on the phone to sort out her shipment. So just got that done and time for food finally. I think my phone does. Yeah, guys, we're gonna get some food now.
guys, I have to say, I should say sorry for being out of it. I haven't been out of it, trying to sort out some stuff. And then shipping as well. I'm trying to get Christmas gifts down here. So that's also another thing. Hopefully we can get them down here on time for Christmas. Fingers crossed. If not, I don't know who's coming down from Florida. Someone might be coming down. We should ask the Powell posse. Someone might be coming down. But now I'm hungry because we haven't had breakfast or lunch, and right now it's about to be lunchtime. So I think we need both 2 in 1. I just need a lot of food right now.
Food.
Where are we going though? Where are we going?
We're going to get some food.
Where?
So when we get there, you'll see. Well, if I tell you where we are going,
He's not even telling me. No, so at least I can get excited.
No, but what I'm saying is, if I tell you where I'm going,
I seen this joke on Instagram.
It's going to fix your belly.
I don't know if I'm gonna say it properly. This guy was at his family dinner and then he was like, Budapest is gonna be so excited about this meal or whatever. And then his family goes something about like, why? And he goes, he named his belly Budapest and he's hungry.
He's a real food man that. He's a real food man that. Anybody find your name them body parts, brother.
And hungry, Budapest.
So
that was funny. So that's me right now. Yeah.
Oh, you're Budapest.
Yeah.
You like my choice?
You know what?
You like my choice?
Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it.
Of course, guys, Alicia wear my shirt. Of course, yeah, wear my shirt every day. My shirt. You don't have clothes?
I don't have any t-shirts like that. So, look cute with my skirt.
So yeah, guys, I just fed the beast.
We just fed Budapest.
Yeah, belly full up.
Budapest is full, not hungry anymore.
We're gonna kill some time until I pick up Amik. So it's good to just get it out of the way so you don't have to come back on the road.
On the road, that's for sure.
Man,
Belly's full.
belly full. That was good, guys. That was really good. I'm gonna say Alicia outfit. Girl, what they gonna do? What they gonna do when they come for you? Oh, go on, Dan. Guys, it's your boy, Mick, in the building. What's up? What's up? You look so.
He's teething. He's kind of grumpy.
Teasing, buddy. Drink some water. Boss teasing. Okay, buddy, I won't stress you out on the camera today. I won't stress you on the camera today.
In pain right now, so.
Yeah, guys, just pick up.
He was thirsty.
Little man.
No, somebody was thirsty.
I was playing outside.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait,
and just like that, it's the weekend.
Yeah, just like that. We done. Yeah, when the teacher said see you Monday, I was like, what?
It's Friday.
It's Friday. It's Friday. So guys, we are back home, relaxing. Amik is sleeping. So yeah, we're just chilling, watching some movies. Until later, we have some friends coming over to join us for workout. Boy, I'm sorry for them. I'm so sorry for them. And you know, Alicia is back in the workout mode fully now, so yeah. Ready. Ready for the action. Ready, set, go. Yeah, guys, we just going to chill, watch some movie, and then next time, well, when Amik wake up, I guess, you know. Yeah, he's teething, so look, poor little man. But I'm sure he's going to be outside, just all energetic and all that stuff. Yeah, and not sleep till late, and then wake up and stress you out in the morning.
Early, whether he goes to bed early or not, Amik is gonna wake up, mind you, sometime about 3-4 a.m. Doesn't matter how early he goes to sleep.
Alright, guys, so see you at workout, or maybe see you when Amik wake up. You ready to run, everybody? You just wake up. Peekaboo. 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 I see you. Peekaboo. Hey. What? Hey. Come, don't run away, buddy. Don't run away. Come. Don't run away, buddy. Mommy's jealous. Mommy's jealous of us, buddy.
Amik does me so wrong.
Mommy's jealous, buddy. Mommy's jealous because she's not a part of it. Not a part of it.
Sorry, Azaf and I are chilling.
Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. No cheese? No cheese?
Nothing. Not
Just watch
today.
TV. Oh, use it.
Yeah,
Wangs. Wangs story enough. Your looks so nice, I cook.
About to change and go and work out. That's it.
Man, you look good cooking, man.
And you look even better watching that.
Hey, buddy. Someone like in them office. Like him in them office at work.
Here. We had it here. What do you mean? That's my third one.
Some people just are rich.
Well, but I tried dodge.
Eh?
But I tried dodge, but the dodging thing.
Try that. Them hold on instead. Them hold on instead.
Dodging thing don't work out. Yeah, me.
Oh, gosh.
Even dodging thing don't work out.
Mental. Yeah, man, for them turn now. Get them, Mr. Rowe.
I say I was very trouble today now. You said you told me that today is my day off.
Work out, crew at it. Get them pow. Look like a grasshopper.
That bug.
Dead bug in him. Ay. Boy. So man ever dep on him phone. Eh? Man, ever dep on him. Yo, me need to hide them phone in I car.
Well, me in between sets.
Go there. Yeah, man. Yeah, technique look bad. Hmm? Oh, shoes are help technique. Yeah, man, the right shoes. You see a plantation worker going up as well.
Plantation, real slavery. Hey, all him Boca Master, you know. Man, they ease up, no conscience. You're not afraid of me?
I'm not afraid of your boss.
Eh?
You need to, right now you need to handcuff yourself because you're not work out.
My police pants don't work up as well.
No, sir.
I think you're afraid of me, brother.
How can I mind this? Yo, the amount of time him tag me, I'm repost the thing then for him. Some of the time not even know so him post name link me and say, oh, Safa, repost this to me. I'm going to repost it. Man, guys, the man I can't repost feelings. We can't believe that. We can't believe. But yeah, guys, this is the end. What? Don't worry yourself, man. Everything good. Alright, guys, this is the end of another vlog. Yo, guys, Mr. Rowe lift up the same thing when Amit did that lift up. Even lighter. Yo.
The plastic one,
Yo, Amik was even heavier than that. Yo, you ain't no problem. You live up 20 pounds. Alright guys, so like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Guys, before we leave you fully, show you the wings. So I start work on some night already. Wings delicious, guys. Very delicious. So the post-workout food. And Alicia always I do a little clean up. Always. You know, come eat some wings before.